Hey yo, what is up everybody? So Jayfinest and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're gonna be doing a vlog, and as I said in my last video when I went to the waterfall, I promised you guys that I would do a proper
Gishy, gushy, gushy, mishy, meshy, mushy, motherfucker. English, motherfucker!
a proper vlog of me going to the waterfall, and you guys really liked the last video. Today we're gonna be doing a proper vlog on the waterfall. So yeah, so today's video is gonna be like kind of a fun vlog. So yeah guys, I hope you guys are excited for that. So right now I'm gonna quickly go pick up my friend and we're gonna head right there. Before I go right now, I'm just gonna quick pack up my gear. So you guys asked me what I use to record my videos, so these are the things that I use. This tripod for my sit down videos, and I use this like a cheap selfie stick for the vlogs. So I'm gonna quickly pack these things up on my backpack and I'm gonna head right there. I'm done packing up and right now we're gonna head out, so let's go. So I just made it here and picked up this guy. Say hello. Hello.
Okay.
And the place where we're going is all the way down there. And yeah guys, so this is the place I don't usually show you guys. Such a very beautiful place. So yeah. So I'm gonna get you guys when I get to the next show. Just made it to this place and this is the overview of the place. And on my last video I did not show this, but we're gonna go all the way down there. And yeah, look how beautiful this place is. This is just amazing. Damn. So we just made it to this place, and yeah guys, so we're gonna go all the way down there. This is the place where you saw me on my last video. First, show them. We are on top of the waterfall. As you guys can see, this is what the top of the waterfall looks like. And I'm here with my I'm here with my friend, so we're gonna go all the way down there. See, by the way, this place is freaking incredible and amazing. So yeah, that's why I like coming back here, because the feeling you get here is just amazing, bro. So this is the trail we have to go through to get all the way down there, and you can see the waterfall from here, and it's pretty beautiful. So yeah. And we need to be really careful because this place is really sketchy. And look at this. So guys, this is the overview of this place, and as you can see guys, it's really beautiful. This place, I mean, it's amazing, mind-blowing. That's why I like coming here more often, because yeah, you can see for yourself. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get down there.
Yes.
Hey guys, so we made it at this place, and this is the last place. This is the place where you guys saw me on my last video. So I promised you guys we're gonna go all the way down there, but I don't know if it's possible, so we're gonna look if it's possible. If it is possible, we're gonna go all the way down there. And I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because it's super freaking loud. And yeah, this place is just amazing guys. Take a look. Like, damn bro. Right now we're gonna get closer to that place, and yeah guys, so let's go. Come on, back here. As you guys can see, this place is super sketchy, so this is what we have to go through to get down there. So yeah, just relax. Just look at this place. insanely beautiful. Let's keep on going down there. As close as we can get to the waterfall. So I figured out I'm not showing this guy alone in this video, so you guys are gonna get to see him a lot more. So right now we're here, we're just gonna chill out a little bit, and yeah guys, so yeah, just look at this place, man. I'm out of words how beautiful this place is. As I said, we're gonna go all the way down there, but I don't think that's possible because there's a lot of freaking water, there's too much water, so we're not gonna go all the way down there. We're still here for a little bit, and yeah guys.
لأجاريهم قلدت ظاهر ما فيهم فبدوت شخصا آخر كي أتفاخر وظننت أنا أني بذلك حزت غنى فوجدت أني خاسر فتلك مظاهر لا 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 نحتاج المال كي نزداد جمالا جوهرنا هنا في القلب تلا لا 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 نرضي الناس بما لا نرضاه لنا حالا ذاك جمالنا يسمو يتعالى أوه 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 أنت تزداد جمالا
He's having too much fun, and I'm also having too much fun. So we're in the month of Ramadan, and I think this is the only moment we can pass time, and yeah, so we come here, we love coming here, and I think he's having way too much fun, even more than me. Just look at this place, how amazing it is, man. This is so freaking beautiful, bro. Hey, let me know if you guys like more of these videos, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour of another places, and so if you want to see a tour of another places, stay tuned and let me know in the comment section below if you like this video. So right now we're gonna head out, and I'll see you guys in the next show. Yo guys, so okay, come on, you're not gonna take me serious with this thing. So guys, I just made it back home and it's late, so I want to say thank you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you made it all the way to the end, I want to say thank you. You're absolutely amazing, and thank you guys. We are at 1.8k subscribers. What? That's insane. Thank you guys so much. I cannot thank you guys enough. If you guys like this kind of vlog videos, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to do more of them. So yeah guys, and I got a question on my last video, like why do I like going there? It's because it's a place where I like going to chill, and it's a stress reliever place. That's why I like going there. So if you made it all the way to the end, I want to say thank you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this kind of videos, and I'll make sure to do another one if you guys kind of like them. So, and I have a lot of other cool places in my local area I think you guys can really like also. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see those vlogs, and I'll make sure to do them. And with that all being said, thank you guys, stay safe, I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.